Maybe have a dusting of snow for the evening commute, but that would be about it. The computer is back up. Sweet. Thank you. Let's take a look at the graphics, shall we? You see that advisory is still in effect for a big chunk of the area, but what has changed now, Sheboygan County has been downgraded to an advisory, but Ozaukee, Milwaukee, and Racine upgraded to the warning because of those northeasterly winds. It might get a little bit of heavier snow just in that little point there where Sheboygan is, but for the most part, this is going to be the heavier snows right along the lakefront as we have been expecting now for the last several days. How much? 4 to 6 inches. There could be even a couple of isolated amounts higher than that. It just depends if you get under these heavier snow bands. If you know, in the past, and a couple of years ago, we had one of those lake effect bands that dumped 16 inches of snow up in Sheboygan, and the rest of us saw basically nothing. It's just where that line sets up. We're not expecting that much snow from this, but just to give you an idea how difficult it is to forecast the lake effect. But 2 to 4 inches inland, even lesser amounts west of Watertown and Beaver Dam, but the focus basically is going to be from Waukesha to the lakefront for about 4 to 6, maybe 7 inches of snow. There's downtown Milwaukee. Once again, the roads look to be in great shape. 28 degrees. It's about a 48-degree warm-up from yesterday with the wind chill. 19, though, in West Bend and Waukesha and Port Washington. 30 in Kenosha. And you can see in Port Washington, those northeasterly winds. Temperature there is 19 degrees. Here's the timeline for the next day and a half. From now until 6 o'clock, about a dusting from 6 p.m. to 6 a.m., 2 to 3 inches of snow. And then during the morning hours tomorrow, an additional 1 to 2. And then after that, it starts to taper off to about a ½ inch to an inch. And then the winds will shift to the northwest tomorrow evening. And that will be it. Capco's Kids to Kids Christmas is tomorrow in Grafton. Bring a toy for a kid in the area. And we will help out some kids that aren't as fortunate. Last year, 20,000 gifts or toys were donated. We'll see you up in Grafton tomorrow, hopefully. And it'll be snowing. That'll get you in the holiday spirit. Temperatures will be in the 20s. And here's the forecast. 23 tonight with 1 to 3 inches of snow. Tomorrow, 1 to 3 inches with 27 degrees. And the 10-day outlook showing you colder on Sunday, 14 degrees. And then a rain-snow mix on Tuesday. Just get the shovels ready for tomorrow.
So I shouldn't wash the car?
No.
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 Forget about it.
It's dirty, but I think it's going to be handled in the next couple days. Brian, thanks. Now